Nice face, girl.
That's my goatee.
Yeah, you're messy, girl.
I did have to.
Okay, pick it up. Let's go. Come on. You found the flower? Aww. Get the FCP Euro box. Come on. You got it. I know it's as big as you, but... You're adorable. Let's go. Come on. Get this. Come on. Every time I start recording, you don't... Oh, you got it. You got it. You got it. Here, I'll hold that. I'll hold this for you. Come on. Grab it. That's your flower. Good job. It's the wrong way. You got it, though. Bye. You're gonna go that way. It's as big as you. You ready? You gonna open it out here? Yeah. Yeah, okay. Alright, let's go. Good job. Welcome to today's video. Got the kid, and she loves to go beep beep. You wanna go beep beep? Come on, go to the car. Go beep beep. Oh, what is a butterfly? Go chase the butterfly. Go beep beep. I'm holding a box, sorry guys. Go beep beep. Yeah, welcome back to today's video. Yeah. Here you go. Here. But yeah, shout out FCP Euro. I'm super excited. Watched a Ricer Miata video. Yeah, you want the keys? You're gonna put the wrong key in there. She always does that, but this is my 99 e36 323i and coupe, obviously. And I got some good packages in here. You want to open these up with me? To me, this is a nice little mod, if you will, that makes your e36 clean up, and also something to do with this side that it's just been needing. So maybe if I could do it with the 1 foot. You want to help me, girl? The 1 foot wonder vlog lifestyle. But yeah, you know, company's legit. Oh, New Milford, Connecticut. That's where all my peeps is from. Watch a lot of YouTubers, and I don't know, for some reason they're all based from Connecticut, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, it's this kind of tape where it's easy to tear. I saw a whole tour of their insides. Thought it was super legit company. And yeah, so certain advertisements like that work well. Alright, we got some sick stickers. Hell yeah, I kind of was hoping I would get some. I'll give one of these sticker packs away to you guys. I also have another giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I'll update you guys, and that will be included this time. So, heck yeah. Alright, got a lot of brown paper. Whoa. Gotta find a place for these. That's cool. These are all really cool. Hell yeah. Cool. Alright, well, I definitely want to, probably put that one in my toolbox, would be sick. Okay, oh sweet, we got 2 parts here. We got first one, like I said, this side. Hopefully she's not jamming the key in that. It needed this, so yeah, that looks to be right. Nice. So we'll open that up in a little bit. Feels like a legit BMW group. I think this is OEM, you guys. It's pretty lit. Alright, and then nice. So basically, if you saw last video, I did put the Euro plate on. Just I hit that blank, you know, as you can see, it's like cracked into here, and I don't know. The delete just looks the best in my opinion, and I do like the non-M bumpers. So yeah, let's get started with this. Hopefully, she can hold the camera for me. I'm just kidding. That'd be sick. Maybe one day, right, girly? Oh, you did put the right key in there. Nice. Sometimes she puts the... Yeah, beep beep. She loves beep beeping. Yes, she loves this. And I love this kind of stuff. So this will be super satisfying. I bought the car without this. And next thing on this rear end, I'm going to need to fix this. This might come at a later date. But yeah, let's see if I can do a one-handed open here again. Oh, not too bad. All right. Let's see if we can... Now I'm all scared of like scraping up this bumper strip. Damn it. left slides. Okay, yeah, so this kind of just hooks into there. Wow, I'm getting pretty lit already. This is amazing for me. Oh my god, look at this. This is huge for me. So here's a before, and it's a vibe, honestly. If someone were to do body work and cover that up, like, I don't know. That's kind of like early 2000s style, but I'm kind of an OEM kind of person anymore. I like the base model e36's and stuff, because everybody upgrades it to, I think this bumper was repainted because that doesn't look very pretty. So maybe I'll chip away some of those, but yeah, should just be able to tuck into there like so. Oh yeah, this is satisfying as hell. Alright. Oh, and then this has got a hook. And then snaps into place. Oh my goodness. So legit. Ah. Shout out. FCP Euro, man. Go give them a follow and whatnot if you can. Throw some of that trash back there. But yeah, I think I gotta throw one of those stickers on my toolbox, and like I said, another sticker pack can be for you guys. Alright, so let's move on to the front here. And I do like the Euro plate. I don't know, let me know down in the comments below. Anything really, I respond to all my comments basically. But let's see if I can prop you guys up here. If you guys think I should rock this behind the rear of the license plate, as you can see, it's kind of like discolored and stuff, but yeah, if I should rock this or not. Behind it, you know, I like these badges. This is an actual decommissioned German plate from wherever, I don't know, but I got off eBay a long time ago. Pretty cool, so. What's up?
New one?
Huh?
A new one?
Yeah, well, new to me.
Is it a 54?
Wait, what?
M54?
Oh, M52.
52?
Yep.
Is it turbo or not?
Oh, hell no, not yet. Maybe one day if I can afford it. It's an auto, so I have to manual swap it.
Oh, no.
Tax return. It's not bad. The silver makes it feel like it's cleaner, but
It's not missing much of the trim either.
I just bought the trim that was missing. That's what I'm doing right now.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
It's pretty rare to see them with trim on them.
I know, right? Yeah, so I had to buy some.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not bad for now.
No, it's clean.
It needs stuff, but yeah, I appreciate it. Thanks.
Have a good one.
You too, bro. Look at you barely looking over the window. But yeah, anyways, sorry about that. And then let's go ahead and oh my god, I just coming back here and it just makes the world of a difference. I love it. Beep beep. So yeah, I don't. Okay, so it looks like this is the right setup. They're pretty even, but if you guys have ever owned a non-M bumper, this is a must. Y'all should hop onto my game real quick. I don't know if this was ever a factory option, you know, because they were always required. I don't know if this is an OEM part. It seems like it is. I don't know. Could be wrong. So yeah. But yeah, last time I actually ended up, or last BMW E36 I had, I ended up plasti dipping these two pieces and kind of matched better. You can see it's darker, but I think this also needs to be slid over some. There's some room for movement. As you can see, I kind of closed the gap over there. And yeah, that's it. That's the bumper delete, or the, she's gonna close the door on me. What are you doing, girl? Almost 2-year-old driving. She just wants to drive all the time. This is crazy. All right, well, let me go and pack up all this trash. And then tonight I've got to do the tranny fluid. At least I hope it's that. The engine light turned on. Yeah. So again, huge shout out to FCP Euro. If y'all wanna give them a follow, you know, not sponsored or anything, but you know, just a fan, you know, because quality parts, and they're all about that European kind of cars and stuff, so you know, I'm a fan. Gonna go throw this on my toolbox real quick. I gotta step over all this stuff, take it up to here, put the sticker up here, so give me a second. Okay, got 1 foot over there, let's see. 1 foot kind of in between the wheel and the tire. Kiddo's over there. Let's see, where should I put this? There, up here? I'm thinking up here, it looks cool. Nice. I ranch on Euro. Nice. Oh yeah, that's dope. Cool. Got a goal is to get this all kinds of stickers on there. So yeah, cool. I guess to you guys not a whole lot happening, but if you have an E36, this is something y'all should do to your non-M bumper. That just looks so much cleaner in my opinion. So much cleaner. Hell yeah. Like I said, the discoloration between the two. Plasti dip. Or you can use a trim black paint, but yeah. 99 brand new. So doing little things like this, and like little things like this, I mentioned it in the last video. Little stuff like that bothers me, honestly, guys. I know like a lot of people take these cars and like they strip them and they drift them and they bash the bumpers, but there's not a whole lot left. And I was into BMWs before it was cool in my opinion. So yeah, I want to make this one kind of semi-nice, and you know, it might look OEM to other people, but to me, it's gonna look real nice. So wow, just seeing that cover over there just looks killer. Yeah, appreciate you all for watching this far. If you've watched this far and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? That's just weird. Yeah, peace out.